Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. Today we're going to talk about how to operate the 15-channel remote for the Rollease Acmeda Automate system. I'm not absolutely positive I got all the names right on it, but we're going to talk about how to use it. So watch and learn. So here's the remote control, and as you can see, it has a blank screen, but when you hit any position, you see how it says 0? Now keep in mind, 0 in this case means all. So if I hit the down button, you'll notice that they're all going to go down. If I hit stop, it will stop. If I want, you see over here on the side, you see all those little, I know it's hard to see, but right there, you see all those little dots on the side? If I take my hand here and scroll it, it'll go up. You see those dots moving? Oops. So it went to the position there. So all you have to do is scroll with your hand over here. So I'll go down a little bit more, and you'll see it goes to that point. Excellent. Now, if you want to do a particular channel, you hit CH. See how it says CH right there? Hit CH. It's flashing for channel. It's flashing 0, so I hit go up, and it goes to 1. And so then 2, and I'll hit enter, and I'll hit the up button, and number 2 will work independently from the others. I can hit stop. Then I hit channel, go to number 3, accept it. It's no longer blinking. Hit up. And you'll notice that the shades are number 3 is working. So that's it overall. It has the adjustability. You can go by channels, and you can have up to 15 separate channels on this remote. This is just one of the types of remotes that's available, and if you have multiple shades in multiple rooms, this is a good solution. And as well as the hub, which allows you, it's called the Pulse 2 hub, which allows you to control it by timers, etc., so that you can do it by scenes. Certain times of the day, it does this, does that, and you can have variants. So if you wanted this exact look right here, you could create it, not that you would. Anyway, that is how this remote control works, and I thank you very much for watching the Kempler design.